Nanawagan ngayon si Pangulong Aquino sa lahat ng mga sektor na makipagtulungan upang mabilis na maibalik sa normal ang pamumuhay ng mga lugar na sinalanta ng Bagyong Pablo. Kasabay nito, iniutos ng Pangulo ang madali ang pagpapanabalik ng serbisyo ng kuryente sa mga lugar na apektado. Ang ulat mula kay Rocky Ignacio.
Patuloy ang pagsisikap ng Administrasyong Aquino na maibalik sa normal ang kabuhayan at sitwasyon ng mga lugar na labis na napinsala ng Bagyong Pablo, kasama na dito ang Davao Oriental at Compostela Valley. Sa kanyang pagsasalita National Conference on Retail Markets, hiniling ng Pangulo ang pakikipagtulungan ng lahat para sa agarang relief assistance at ang patuloy ang search and rescue sa mga nawawalang biktima. Umabot kasi sa mahigit 700 katao ang iniulat na nawawala nung kasagsagan ng Super Typhoon Pablo. Nauna nang itinalaga ng Pangulo si General George Segovia ng Eastern Mindanao Command bilang ground commander na mga ngasiwa sa paghahanap sa mga biktimang nawawala pa.
Our administration, along with the Filipino people, are hard at work to get those affected back on their own 2 feet. Soldiers and policemen are manning the hardest hit areas to maintain order and to assist in rescue and relief work. Our social workers are spending long hours in various evacuation centers, and volunteers are lining up to provide the needed support in order to restore normalcy.
Pinatitiyak na rin ng Pangulo na maibalik na rin ang supply ng kuryente sa mga lugar na labis na sinira ng bagyo. Target ng Department of Energy na ibalik ang normal na supply sa December 23 o ilang araw bago ang araw ng Pasko.
Before the end of the year, our Energy Secretary, Edith Petilla, has committed to restore Compostela Valley and Davao Oriental. And that is despite the damage wrought on even the main transmission lines, which we saw were on the ground already. But while the immediate concern is restoring supply to the affected areas, we must also realize that the challenge that follows is making sure that power is affordable, particularly for the less fortunate.
Sa nasabi okasyon, tiniyak rin ng Pangulo ang paglalagay ng maayos na mekanismo ng gobyerno para sa pagpapasigla ng electric power industry. Nakasentro ang komperensya sa tinatawag na Critical Convergence of Wholesale and Retail Markets na naglalayong maibaba rin ang presyo ng enerhiya sa bansa.
Over the long term, we also want to promote a system that will naturally keep power prices reasonable, if not preferably low. And this is the rationale for the wholesale electricity spot market, where some will not magically lower electricity prices overnight, but it is a sensible long-term solution. It encourages competition and saves consumers from being at the mercy of a single company with monopoly power. It allows them to select the retailers who offer the most. While it won't happen immediately, an efficient OSM will increase competitive pressures and will play a large part in lowering the cost of electricity in this country and increasing our competitiveness. As long as we are able to ensure a level playing field, then the market will do its work. The upcoming implementation of the retail competition and open access can only help. We can look forward to more players in the market, which will move us even closer to more reliable and fairly priced energy for both people and businesses.
Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, Rocky Ignacio.